Anyways, guys, good morning. The wall of my breath stink. My breath stink. Morning, guys. Hey, mine are dropping off. Morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. My best Tammy Mitchell voice. Yeah, good morning. It's vacation. Cheers. No, people, my breath stink. Anyways, guys, we are at the pool. I can barely see on my screen because somehow water got into my camera. So my screen is not working perfectly great. But I think this is good enough for you guys to see. I hated when I was playing soccer. I hated when they were like, "Oh, you guys gotta know how to use your head." Fuck that, that's fun with the head. Hell no, I'm not weak. It's a pass. My face? My face? My face? My face? Anyways, peeps, we'll be back. So guys, I barely ate any of my food last night. So that's what I'm about to warm up and eat. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Morning, morning, morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Whoa, no, you know French.
At least them fathers anger was happening. And Spanish. Drop them.
Babe, you know that's your juice in the red cup, right? So as you guys know, yesterday, jerky. So yesterday, you guys, I showed you guys the food that I got, but Babe gave me a piece of his chicken.
Yeah, jerkies. We have money jerky. The smoke flavor like you don't know explanation.
What? Hello, don't talk like me. Don't talk like me. Don't talk like me about explanation. Don't do it. So guys, yeah, that's what's up. I haven't done the room tour yet. I'm gonna do it. I don't know, I always do it like on our exit because I feel like everything is like cleaned back up then and stuff. So yeah. Babe, you really buy cornbread?
Why we are exit them again?
You really buy cornbread?
Yeah, my head top. Never talk to one.
I said you really bought cornbread? Why you want cornbread?
And cheese, man, can't eat it.
Y'all ever had Miss Birdie's cornbread?
Comment down below.
Comment down below, let me know. I never had it before. I don't know. I don't like the whole concept.
Look at this. This is a slice, the biggest slice of cheese I've ever seen in Jamaica. You see the shop over my side, a 3 slices of cheese to them.
Yeah, that's true. His cheese slices are starting.
$100 for this, you know. $100 woman say, pick 2 fat ones. Then, I'll pick one first. I said, let's go to the lady. I said, no, put it to one, 2 big one more. I said, I'm going to take out the tray.
Why you have the remote in here? Oh, there is marshmallow hot chocolate.
Sugar there.
Oh, this fly coming out house now.
Yeah?
Oh, this fly reaching at the house. So I tell you, need to lock the door, you know?
Lock the door.
No, earlier you did have the door open. Then him go complain about all the AC not work. And now the fly just come in here, because the fly never in here last night. Well, are you met the fly reaching here? You guys, I hope you guys can see this in color, like proper color, because the way my screen looks right now, I pray to God when I reach up I can fix it. I'm gonna send it back to Sony and see if they can fix it.
I want back to money. Send it down, back it back. You burn up if you're not much. Don't pull on man, it's steam.
She's not that hot.
I mean,
It's not that hot. It's gonna went hotter.
oh, it's not going to full too. Forget to be out of wireless. That's what I want. I'm doing something. But I want to get the red one, 2 pieces of pork. Never heard of it. What's the way to talk all my rice and beans? We love rice and beans. And the ginger, I can see the ginger, you know that now hurt a belly. That's the one, man. Food rice and beans, traditional.
I was gonna say,
you can taste the coconut.
I was gonna say, depending on what time we're leaving up tomorrow, I can get you your old Joes.
Oh.
I'm not saying you go buy your
No,
old
we can buy that
Joes.
for dinner tomorrow. Oh, it's put it.
No, not today.
No, because probably that's the fire tomorrow.
I don't know about that. I don't know if I'm staying over there for dinner. I was thinking maybe we could go out. I gotta see what's open.
Oh, it's 9
Yeah, for dinner.
9 but maybe I'm pretty much outfit to go different one. I know there. I am full of clothes.
Full of style can't spoil.
Some come on from a little spot. I'm gonna work with a lot. Some out there night time we can rock it.
You see how much lizard they on there last night?
But see them, that's why I don't watch them film.
For me,
So them don't come in after I'm afraid I'm in my car.
sitting around with you.
I can't make them.
Boy, you don't stop. Y'all, I was watching this thing on Netflix last night
Oh, yo, it's so interesting. The
called Unsolved Mysteries.
Yo, sleep up quiet. You get some of the pass it in the car and start back from this.
No, I'm starting it back from where I remember.
Two sleep up quiet. We say, no, let's sleep and make it run out. Pause it. I know you can see the pause it and let's sleep.
Okay, I'll remember what minute you're at and I'll watch. I'm gonna go watch it.
Only got things surrounding our
Finish
cars.
watching it. That's why they said it's unsolved.
Yeah, interesting. And two of them.
But I knew we would like it because we love ID.
The man went on suicide. The rule it out that man he thought fully say, yo, suicide, he kill himself. But the man say, yo, my brother, that never do that.
But how he would have killed himself and then drop through the floor.
Exactly. The man said the man have no history, have nothing for proof, say.
He would be.
Him, that's it now.
But a lot of people wouldn't look at Tamar Braxton. Look at Tamar Braxton.
Tamar Braxton, him stressed out over man and all kind of things.
No, but Tamar Braxton, you wouldn't look at her and be like, oh.
Yeah, but Tamar Braxton, them have man problem more than all kind of something. They have a history, you can say. You know, so they say she commit suicide, but they want to have a man thing.
No, she wouldn't have no man issues. She's with a good man.
Yeah, but no, but she had.
Pass the
man
thing for me.
The
towel? The towel.
You must say, I recently she get a different man.
It's not that recent. It's been years.
Yeah, good while and she start go natural and ray after and start getting more.
Yeah, follow up with my friend though.
No, we call myself a listener. I love Braxton from Tony Braxton and I'm curious.
We are the Braxtons and you'll see.
Tony Braxton, I love Tamar. But what I say is this. Them have something, the man say no farmer history and nothing at all. And the man saying brother is like a jovial person. The man always talk about his wife and I say, yo, not you know say the man I'm wife. When we watch it in child, we check some sister.
No, the white lady?
Yeah,
she's wife.
She had the slippers, same way, she had everything. She say, yo, him would have never be a family, not talk about our family and kids and Ray and I'm sure the picture of them and he never looked
And
dull.
they said he got a call.
He never looked dull.
They said he got a call and he rushed out of the house. So obviously somebody called him.
Because what I'm saying is the camera not show anything if him enter the building or not. So probably be in there before. But you know show him enter. And the camera up at the upstairs part will show that the camera they lock up that day specifically.
Something.
All the things around it. Yes.
Okay, pass the laptop, please. Thanks very much, baby father. No, you had enough. You had pork. You had pork. Okay,
So
we have to come move. We have to come move to MOBAY because we can't get them some here. We can't get them some here. Pork.
Give me a little piece of the pork, babe.
Babe, you can't get fat.
A little piece of the festival, you know, man.
You can't get fat. Festival?
A little piece more.
Joel, you had festival, no? Didn't you get festival?
Fries, me never get. Let me talk fries. I'm hungry. Can I make a man that you hungry?
Yes. Absolutely. So I was gonna be like, Daddy, Mommy knows. Mommy did it because we were in her belly. Oh my God, our fire reaching a babe.
How far I'm reaching, how long you sleep? You don't tell us you have to sleep without that. So I'm not giving but I follow you.
Wow. I was trying so hard,
I
but it's tired.
try, see. I try hard work and I say, want to sleep. No, you not there.
But my swear so like right after like 8 o'clock or something.
Right after all, long after you're in a deep sleep.
Nicole, you are our daughter.
Start back and start catch back this.
Alright guys, I'm gonna watch the show and come back to you guys.
You still have blood?
Yeah, and then come back to you guys. And
I did something horrible to him.
yeah, see walk on when we go on the road.
I believe that.
Hey guys, we made it to destination number 1. Look what them are doing. It's a little to the side, but you know, it can go on. So long? You're not have to lock it. You're not going to pull out.
Mom, you start worrying if I hear.
I can't even see. Ray, get you a man who can braid your hair.
I need a makeup later.
You guys may not know this view too well, but you'll soon see when I'm there.
It's better. No, kind of people don't know, say, basically, that could come out. Come on, done. Enough people don't know that that's supposed to be nice. Really coconut is.
Daddy, I need some land. You have land?
Land?
Yeah.
You want to walk money,
No, I mean, do you have any I can get?
A free one. You got me free. I could pay feet I inherited.
Yeah, so I'm inheriting. You don't have to be dead for me to inherit.
I can't inherit. See it how the coconut come on, show them naturally. People don't know them style, them live it here.
Yeah, this is what we get in the supermarket. This is what we get.
The things that are mixed up and all kinds.
No, this is what we get and they wrap it up.
No, I know that, but watch it.
Babe, not this the water in a.
Yeah,
I'm talking about the whole coconut itself.
It was before this. It reached coconut now. It was jelly before then turned coconut.
What I'm asking you, the water is inside this, right?
You get less.
Okay, so this is what we have in our supermarket, wrap up and sell as coconut. This is what we get. Yeah, this is what
coconut.
I mean. We don't get the. Yeah.
A jelly, they say out of the jelly something, the longer it's
But that's what I'm saying. We don't get. Yeah, we don't.
That's it. Don't buy the jelly for
the what?
I say if you left it too long,
What you say?
coconut. Call it the coconut ox, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said house. The coconut house. But yeah. That's what we get. Well, at least at the West Indian supermarkets. And that we get. That's what my mom used to always send me.
The jelly, they make them dry. When they see the jelly them dry, it become coconut.
I have to stay up on the tree and
Yeah, stay up on the tree, yeah.
if you pick the jelly and dry, no good.
Oh.
Daddy, what kind of tree is that? Lord Jesus.
When they're green and young.
See from here, I come here and say I want June plum. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my dad has a guinep tree and he has a June plum tree. That is a craze. Lord God.
Easy climb. Oh, that stick. Can't reach.
Jesus.
Can't
This is the life I live.
You see it?
I mean, this is the life I miss. No, when I was living down here, this was everyday shit. I'm dead ass. Joe, just leave it. It's fine. My two guys. Bumbo. Oh, Jesus. Joel. Listen. You're not used to climbing trees, no matter with it. You? Exactly.
A tree in all my yard.
You guys.
Right, come on,
Guinep.
Eh?
Oh, that's crazy. The two things that I want the most, my dad has his tree. June plum and guinep. That is crazy. One drop over there, you know?
Long in itself,
No, it doesn't. You're so extra. You're so extra. People, my dinner, my Sundays. Oh my gosh. Oh, my belly. I'm so excited. No cry no, yeah? Obviously. Obviously, yeah, exactly. We're not like you you're Uptownians. A joke, me I make. So guys, hey, it's nighttime, we're at a party. Proposal go on, one girl proposed to one man. I said congratulations, my girl was so happy. Oh my gosh, she hugged me and it's COVID times. Money talk, bullshit walk. We're with Uncle Johnny in case you didn't realize. Say hi to the vlog. Wait there. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, my fans.
Hey, girl. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hello. Alright. Pick up yourself.
Girl here.
Alright.
Yeah, you know?
Okay. Everything. You see the bride to be there. What? Where's that? Where's that a while ago? If I came and I send the link. This is where we're at. Down the road from where we're at.
Like my wife, you know, my wife let me out, you know, so my wife can turn me out.
Carry somebody food to me. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. She ain't got no choice.
Yeah, two share eat for them.
Okay. Hello. I mean, plus it's quarantine time. 6 out. Is it this? No, it's not this.
6, no, girl.
No, that's what I thought it was. That's what I thought it was. The girl got the shape, yeah, she got the body. The 6 them there. Champagne pop. Hey. Well, rich out here and we nasty. Mute. iPhone 10 and a Panasonic. See the groom to be? Ooh, congratulations! Congratulations! What your the fan glass? What your cheers? Yes! Yes to marriage! Gucci Prada. Mind your bonnet up. I feel frazzled. I do.
That is go drink one.
The waiter or the bartender?
Bar top.
Yeah, I know you wanna like that one here.
Tradition.
6 is real out here, fam. We get goated soup, you know.
Can I show them?
Somewhat. How it tastes.
Smell good.
Mm-hmm.